IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Balligi na Naangay, ti groundbreaking ceremony ti Kabbaro a PNP station iti initi San Nicolas, a masarakan iti barangay 22 San Guillermo San Nicolas, at dati a landfill. Nagbalin a bisita da Police Brigadier General Christopher Acop, Manipod Pro 1, Representative Manipod iti opisina ni Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba, Mayor Edmar Vincent Bonuan, Vice Mayor Napoleon Hernando, Provincial Director Police Colonel Jomar Labiano ken dagiti kameng ti INPPO para iti daytoy na insagraduan a groundbreaking activity da.
The municipality of San Nicolas does not only want to donate a lot for the PNP building. We want to be with you for the implementation of peace and order, not only in the municipality, but for the whole Ilocos Norte and for the whole country. I still remember when I was a councilor back in 1992. It was I who sponsored the donation of a lot for the PNP building. But this was originally located dun sa old plaza natin, sir. But because there was no ready fund yet before, it was delayed up to the time that the National Historical Commission declared that our Old Town Plaza is a cultural heritage zone. So nawala po yun. Now, we have a PNP building. The lot was donated by a private company. The building was sourced from local funds during the time of Mayor Dr. Valdez. But it is not within the standards of PNP buildings. Now, when I received the news that the PNP San Nicolas is always failing because we do not own, or the PNP does not have an independent building, I asked our chief of police, what is the problem? And he said, we need a lot in order for us to erect, for the PNP to erect a standard PNP building. I did not make second thoughts. I knew that this place was the right place.
Mainaig iti daytoy ket ibitlamet iti panagsarita ni Police Brigadier General Christopher Acop akas manggibagi ken Regional Director of Police Brigadier General Jovencio Badua Jr.
It is always encouraging to see our local leaders, stakeholders, and members of the community come together with one common purpose: to build something that will benefit the municipality of San Nicolas. Every generation leaves a legacy that will serve generations to come, and I believe that today's gathering is one of those moments.
Kabayatan na naamuan nga kakaabay to ti evacuation center, BFP Provincial Office ken Korte Pakaramanan ti PNP San Nicolas. Para iti IFM News, Idol Lawrence Martinez, Tatak, IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.